Hello everyone, in this video we will combine data from multiple sheets into a single sheet. Okay, for example, you have the data for different months, okay, for January, February and March. Okay, so whenever you are creating a report from the data, so it is hard to create from all of them, but you would like to join all this data into one table and then generate a table report from this, okay, or charts, whatever you want, so you can make a report from that. So to do it, let's get started. Okay, first of all, whenever you have your data, and just come here to a new sheet. Okay, I will just minimize it, or just come here, let's press Ctrl and I will open a new workbook. Okay, after opening a new workbook, I would like to have my data in this workbook. Okay, the summary of the data, and here I will come here to the data tab. After coming to the data tab, come here, get data. Okay, press this icon from file and from Excel workbook, select this one, this option. Okay, after opening it, now let's move to documents. Where is that data? Okay, our data is in student file. Okay, just let's find this student file. Okay, let's import it. So it's importing the data. Let's wait for it. So the data has imported. We have these three files. Okay, the first one, second one and third one. So here we have multiple selection option also. Okay, you can select all of them, but we don't need them, just select one of them. Which one you select, just select one of them. Okay, so after selecting one of them, now let's come here down, and here instead of load, press transform data. Press this option, this button, so it will transform our data. Let's wait. So here we have our data. Okay, so here let's first of all remove all these other options. We just want the sources. For example, in the right side here we have the change type, remove it. Prompted headers, remove it. Navigation, remove it. We just, whenever we have just the source. Okay, in the source we have the name of the sheets and the data in these three columns, but we don't need these three columns. We just want these two, name and data column. Press Ctrl, select these name and data column, and right click on this. After right click, remove other columns, so it will remove other columns. We just need the names and the data of sheets. So after that, in the data column we have, in the right side we have this button, this option. Okay, so select that option. Okay, let's select it. After selecting it, see we have these columns. We have 4 columns. This is our data. Let's press OK. After pressing OK, this is our data that we have. Okay, from all files, from all sheet, January, February and March. So now if you wanted to remove something or clean your data, remove null value, empty cells, so do all your cleaning in this time. Okay, clean your data. After that we will transform our data, load our data. Okay, but let's check it. Okay, if we needed something to change, so first of all we don't need this extra column. Okay, we should make this the header. Okay, this the first column as header. So to make that as header, here at the top we have this option, use first row as header. Select this option. Now our first row is as a header, selected as header. Now come here down we have this option. Okay, let's check it. We have this name age for every sheet, per all sheet. Okay, so let's clean it, let's remove it. Just come here to the age, select here, let's remove this age option. Okay, uncheck that age, press OK. So that option, that header has removed from other sheets. Check it, see, that has removed. So this data is perfect for us. It is a clean data. Okay, so now we would like to load and filter, load this data. So to load this data, for that we need to press this close and load, this button. Okay, at the top, press that, so it will load our data. So we have all our data in a table. Okay, this is our data that we have. So now we have 60 record in this. Okay, if we would like to add our other records in the master sheet, in the sheet from where we just imported the data, if we added the data of another month, so that should be automated update here. Okay, we want automatic updates here. So for that, let's first of all save it. I will save this. Okay, come here, the documents, student 3 for example. Okay, in the document, save it. After saving it, let's close it. Just come here again to our source data. In our source data, we want to add the April month's data also. Okay, let's add a new sheet. Let's rename it, sorry, rename it April. Save it. For example, we would like to copy data from this, copy, and we will paste it in the April and save it. Let's wait for it until it's saved. Your change could not be saved because of sharing. Okay, let's close it once. Let's open the students. Now let's add a new sheet. Let's rename it April, and here we will add some data. Let's copy and paste it in the April. Save it. So after saving your file, let's close it. Now we will move to our sheet, okay, student 3 file that we has created right now. Okay, let's come here to the documents, come here down and to the student 3, this one, okay, that we has created right now. Let's open it. After opening it, okay, right now we have, let's check it, how many records we have. 61 records until 61 row. Okay, these are our records. So let's refresh it. Okay, to refresh the records, to add other records that we have added to the source file, for that come here to the data. We have this refresh option. Okay, for refresh, click this refresh button, so it will add the new records. See, the April month record, 3 record has added here at the end. So this is how we can do to combine multiple sheets into a single sheet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.